Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to cook some carbonara pasta, not the French way, we are going to cook the Italian way with the guanciale. If you are new on this channel, I'm talking about Mediterranean diet. So if you are interested in cooking this type of food, please subscribe and share the video.
Okay, let's go for a nice carbonara sauce. And I'm preparing the pasta. I'm always adding a little bit of salt, even if the recipe is very salty with the guanciale and everything. Speaking of which, I will prepare the sauce. No, I will prepare the guanciale. Yeah, you can take a bacon strip if you don't have it, but I prefer the guanciale. It's more tasty. And yeah, I'm removing the skin because you don't want to eat that. It's very tough to eat. And then we will cut in small pieces. That depends what you like. I prefer to cut a little bit bigger than usual because I like to chew. Always cleaning the cutting board, of course. And we will use the Parmesan as a base of our carbonara sauce. You will see later. We don't let anything on the cutting board. And we are going to cook these nice pieces of guanciale. We don't need to add oil into the saucepan because the guanciale is very fat. And after a certain time, I'm taking those nice pieces out of the saucepan, and you don't want to make a mountain of guanciale. You want to spread it because you will lose the nice crust. I'm adding my pasta, my fresh pasta that I made just before, and you can find the recipe. It's better to use fresh pasta because fresh pasta, they have more flour, and you will see later why. And yeah, yellow eggs, using the whisk. So the recipe is grainy, but that's okay. We will add the water from the pasta. And then that's why it's better to have fresh pasta because you have more flour, and the flour will exit of the pasta into the saucepan, so the water will be thicker, and it's better for making a nice sauce. Normally you should add a little bit of water because it's too warm, and it will start cooking the eggs, but I'm too hungry, so yeah. But that's fine, you will see it works as well. So don't finish the cooking of the pasta, because you will finish then into the saucepan you use for the guanciale, as this is still full of fat. Yeah, even the fire alarm agrees with my recipe. You add the nice and creamy sauce. So don't forget to lower the fire because you don't want the sauce to be cooked. So this is small fire. Again, we don't waste anything. I like this sound actually when you mix into the saucepan. You can hear the sauce and the pastas. It's a nice wedging. Add a little bit of pepper and salt. Again, keep that in mind that I'm not a big reference in salt because I love when it's very salty, okay? I'm starving. That's too bad you can't hear the sound of the creamy pasta. guanciale. And we finish with the grater and the Parmesan. And here we are. Super easy to make and so delicious. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video if you liked it. Tell me in the comment section below what you think or if you need any help. And stay tuned for the next video on the Mediterranean diet. Bon appétit!